Alright, so are you tired of feeling lost and directionless in life? Fear not, my friend. I am here to assist you in finding your way, literally. Let's get started by importing the Geocoder library. Think of it as your digital compass, guiding you towards your destination. Now, let's create a function called where the hell am I, because let's face it, we've all felt that way at some point in our lives. Then we will use the IP method of the Geocoder library to get our current location and assign it to the variable g. And finally, we will return the latitude and longitude of our current location using the lat_lng method. Now let's call the where the hell am I function and store the returned value in a variable called loc. If we print the loc variable, we will find that it is a list containing the latitude and longitude of our current location. And if we want to print the latitude and longitude of our current location, we can do so by indexing the loc variable. But wait, we only got the coordinates of our current location. What if we want to see our current location on a map? To accomplish this, we can use the folium library in Python. Now, let's import the folium library in our Python script. Next, let's create a function that will show our current location on a map using the folium library. For that, we will first name the function showMeOnMap. Next, we will call where the hell am I function to get the latitude and longitude coordinates of our current location and assign them to the lat and lon variables respectively. Now we create a new instance of the folium.map class and pass in the lat and lon coordinates as the location argument. We also set the zoom level of the map to 13 and assign it to the map variable. Now we will add a marker to the map object using the latitude and longitude coordinates passed as parameters. Then we will return the map object. And finally, we will call the showMeOnMap function and boom. We get a shiny new map with a blue marker indicating your exact location. But wait, let's add a bit of sass by including a pop-up message that says you are here, and change the marker color to red, because who doesn't love a bit of validation? Now when I click on the red marker, we get that pop-up saying you are here. There you have it. With just a few lines of code, we can now get our current location with just one click, or we can say one function call. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Also make sure to subscribe and turn on bell notification to support us and get notified for future updates and helpful tutorials.